How do you take aviation's most well-established spare parts platform to new heights? By opening it up to sellers from all over the world. Airbus-owned Satair market has evolved into a one-stop marketplace, putting global surplus stock of new and used aircraft parts at the fingertips of airlines and MROs. It connects sellers and buyers through a series of commerce features that come in handy when time is money and availability is key. Buyers enjoy direct contact with the seller of the needed product. You can chat, ask for a quote, and even place a bid. And as a seller, you're provided with round-the-world, round-the-clock access to Satair's trusted customers. With a new marketplace, Satair continues to convince customers to switch to a smarter way of doing business. The turnover generated via Satair market has now grown from 20% to 50% on average in 2022, with more than 50,000 orders processed. The sky looks bright for the ever-changing Satair market, and new adventures await on the journey.